I will say Hugo Bros is like his coach ever fit. I will say it several times. That's why I'm be convinced with the coach. The way I approach the game, namhlanje ngakhoma. I was speaking to earlier on Maseval, according to the Sharpeville. I knew which is going to approach the game with 3 defensive midfield. But I expect to instead to Dali Sumbacha, Uzolalis Obas. Very predictable coach. I mind we are game in any game, whether especially in a tournament. Let me not talk about a friendly game or a qualifying game. On a tournament, even last AFCON, this is how he plays. The coach will allow 3 defensive midfielders, whereby if we can be honest, if he coaches, that's why it is a lucky guy. If he had to pick different players with different teams without Sundowns and Pirates was going to struggle. Being a team. This boy is world-class player. Mfana lo amaplayer njengala ukuthi asuka delele amaplayer so asuka zazi. I wish he can remain focused and humble. Ayalazi ibhola le any stage le mfethu ungayifaka on the World Cup. I guarantee you noma ngabe basibamba boma 5-6 kunento azoyibona other country. I'm talking about scout. This boy when you level amaplayer so unfortunately awekho maningi and angeke uphindwe abone. Sesinala amaplayer le yabo yesibas and stuff, which is good to be disciplined and dedicated, but there I wish he remain humble. Ngathi ngaba different ibe ne talent iphinde isithobe when you level